What's going on, guys? It is the Bad Wolf, the man in black, the bad mama jamma himself. Let's get going. This particular video is about a treaty on income tax. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, I have a whole treaty, IRS, state, federal set of videos that you can watch on my YouTube channel, of course. And the document I'm about to show you, I do believe it's already on Black Site 32 in the free documents section, page one and two. Maybe just, I don't know, it's on one of them. If not, it will be after this video, or at least it should be if I remember. Anyway, so that being said, let's talk about it. So we've uncovered by Henry Campbell Black that he created. Now, he's the guy who created the first Black's Law Dictionary that they covet so much when throwing the book at us, so to speak. So I find it interesting that when it comes to IRS stuff, he actually wrote a treatise on federal income taxation, well, federal and state treaties. We've made a whole video series on it. Blacksite32.com, free document page number 2, has a copy of it. We assume, of course, no responsibility for any of the materials. It's all just education, entertainment. From your favorite non-belligerent, non-combatant. All right, puppy. All right. So with that being said, guess what? We found a treatise that the United States of America has out. And well, though it's designed for other governments, it doesn't say it's only for governments. Have you created your own government? Are you operating your last name as a government instead of a individual and living person? Because really your first and middle name is your name, and your what you call as the last name is really your nation, your tribe, your government. You know that, right? Huh. You haven't been watching my videos enough. But if you did say yes, then let's continue. The rest of you guys go back and watch your other videos. Let's get into it. Now, of course, I am not going to bore you to tears and make you read and listen all 70 pages of this agreement. But what do we got here? United States Model Income Tax Convention. Convention between the government of the United States of America and the government of Lovitica for the avoidance of double taxation and the prevention of tax evasion with respect to taxes on income. Government of the United States and the government of Lovitica intended to conclude a convention for the elimination of double taxation with respect to on taxes on income without creating opportunities for non-taxation or reduced taxation through tax evasion, avoidance, avoidance, including through treaty shopping arrangements aimed on relief provided in this convention. Now, like I said, I'm not going to take an hour plus of your time to read all of this. This is on you. But if you are interested in learning about the tax treaty, the convention, on everything from security, annuities, child support, etc., and you want to create one, once again, nowhere in here does it say that it's only for the big governments. And what does govern mean? Govern means to control, and meant is mind. So whatever it is that is your entity, your enterprise, your business, your international traffic, oh, and the term national Any legal person. I'm just saying you guys might find this interesting reading. Okay. What is a resident? Income from real property, business, associated enterprises, dividends. Basically, optionally, you and your entity can accept this agreement where a citizen of the United States, that remember, this means all. So this means regular citizens and national state citizens alike, who is a resident of, well, for me, Levitica, is a member or beneficiary of or part of. Okay, let's drop all the way down to where it finishes up. Like I said, I'm not going to bore you through all the details. And remember, this is optional, guys. Just like all the stuff I show, you do not have to do all of or any of this stuff in order to be a national, a state citizen, free and uninhabited. You don't have to do any of it. You already have those things. You've had the feather the entire time, Dumbo. Dorothy, you've been wearing the shoes the entire time. You just didn't know you had the power. Members of diplomatic missions and consular posts. So this is their document, guys. This is not my document. I didn't make this. Literally, if you look up here, it says treasury.gov. This is their stuff. They're giving you and offering you the ability to have a treaty with them. As far as they're concerned, for the government of the United States of America, they're done. This is it. From my overstanding, this is signed. This is their sign. Over here, you put your information, and then I would, of course, get it notarized by a notary. If you guys need a notary, we have one now at Black Site 32. Otherwise, go to your own notary or whatever else and get it notarized. I'm just saying, some of y'all people out there with pensions, police officers, and other retirement benefits, I don't know. This might be something you can use. This might be something that do your own research. Do your own research. I'm just saying. I found it to be interesting reading. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. The knowledge is yours. What you guys decide to do with it is up to you. All right. Well, hit that bell, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.